Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Revolut is hiring for Fincrime Analyst external inquiries. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Let us get to know about Revolut first. People deserve more from their money, more visibility, more control, more freedom, and since 2015, Revolut has been on a mission to deliver just that with an arsenal of awesome products that span spending, saving, travel, transfers, investing, exchanging and more. Our super app has helped 25 plus million customers get more from their money, and we have not done yet. As we continue our lightning fast growth, we believe that two things are essential to continuing our success: our people and our culture. So far we have 5,000 plus people working around the world from our great offices or remotely on our mission, and we are looking for more. We want brilliant people that love building great products, love redefining success, and love turning the complexity of a chaotic world into the simplicity of a beautiful solution. The Fincrime Operations Department is at the forefront of Revolut's efforts to keep customers and their money safe. Those ninjas directly with customers to resolve issues and flag potential concerns. Using cutting-edge technology, we aim to prevent financial crime in a way the banking world hasn't seen so far. Fincrime Analyst is the key person to ensure we have got it under control. Working with the Revolut compliance teams, it's only for the most responsible, conscientious, brave individuals, the ones who are not afraid of challenges of the complex financial world. We are a global financial super app, so we have to be available 24/7. That sometimes means working night shifts and weekends. We will compensate you for night shifts, but we understand this still isn't for everyone, so please bear that in mind before applying. What you will be doing: providing KYC, CDD, analysis of individual customers, undertaking research, documents, checks and financial crime risk assessment via internal and external sources, perform screening, detecting and report suspicious activity including the predicate offenses to money laundering and terrorist financing, ensuring all documents submitted for CDD are in line with internal policies, identifying and analyze alerts generated by the monitoring system in order to identify potentially suspicious activity, escalating any red flags and potential risk to the escalation team, handling sensitive or confidential information. What you will need: flawless English, minimum C1, prior experience in banking, in risk or AML, KYC function is a plus. Excellent communication skills, ability to work together with multiple compliance teams, ability to multitask and prioritize, ability to work well under pressure and tight time frames, willingness to work different shifts. Nice to have fluency in any other language. Building a global financial super app isn't enough. Our Revoluters are a priority, and that's why in 2021 we launched our inaugural D&I framework designed to help us thrive and grow every day. We are not just doing this because it's the right thing to do. We are doing it because we know that seeking out diverse talent and creating an inclusive workplace is the way to create exceptional, innovative products and services for our customers. That's why we encourage applications from people with diverse backgrounds and experiences to join the multicultural, hardworking team. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this apply button. Then this application form will open. Here you just need to fill basic information, full name, email, current company and some questions are there. After filling this application form, click on submit button and submit the application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends and for more latest job updates चैनल को subscribe कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.